More and more, the maintenance industry is developing needs beyond that of their current ERP and EAM system. Organizations today are looking for ways to optimize asset performance by reducing unplanned downtime. VIZIYA's WorkAlign Suite is a bolt-on, fully integrated suite of maintenance products developed to take companies from reactive to predictive, enhancing maintenance execution and improving asset reliability. The WorkAlign Suite is ready to use out of the box, consisting of industrial Internet of Things, scheduling, mobility, budgeting, warranty tracking, and analytics solutions, integrating and extending the functionality of all leading ERPs. Reduce failures and unexpected outages by alerting maintenance and reliability teams immediately when an issue is detected, with integrated dashboards improving team efficiency and coordination. The WorkAlign Suite reduces overall asset downtime and increases wrench time with advanced scheduling features. It ensures all work orders have the right information and flags any missing information. Technicians can perform all their necessary EAM data entry directly from their mobile devices, saving time and providing critical information at the point of execution. Manage your maintenance spending and drive asset utilization by ensuring critical assets have appropriate budget allocation. And manage warranty claims to recover lost dollars and improve the bottom line. Track warranty status of equipment, sub-assemblies, and materials. Your business can easily track maintenance progress and improve decision-making with hundreds of ready-to-use reports. The VIZIYA WorkAlign Suite is the solution for end-to-end asset management. Contact us today to learn how the VIZIYA WorkAlign Suite can work for you.